Welcome to Linux Help. In this session, we are going to see how to use Asterisk AGI on Debian 12. The Asterisk Gateway Protocol AGI is the protocol used by Asterisk server as its interface for telephony applications. AGI is just a way that allows you as a software developer to easily make telephony applications that Asterisk will run some way along the dial plan. Through AGI, you can read input from the user, play sound files, control the call and its flow, and pretty much everything needed to make a successful IVR interactive voice response in virtually any programming language. Check the voice version by using following command. Check the asterisk version by using following command. Create a AJ script by using following command. Create a AJ variable by using following command. Save and quit the file. Give the executable permission to the script file by using following command. Check the executable permission to the script file by using following command. Executable permission has updated. Go to the following location by using following command. Edit extension.conf file and make dialplan configuration using AGI application by using following command. Here I will use the AGI application. Here I will given the AGI script file with the absolute path. Here I will use the AGI variable. Here I will create AGI application. Here I will use AGI variable. Save and quit the file. Go to the another tab. Log into the Asterisk console by using following command. Reload the dialplan by using following command. Make a call to check AGI script by using Microsoft applications. I will make a call from unknown 2 extension to unknown 0 extension. The extension is working. You will able to see the welcome sound file name. Now I will make another call to check another AGI script variable by using Microsoft applications. Now I will call from unknown 2 extension to unknown 1 extension. The call is hang up. You will able to see the hang up sound file name. So this is the steps to use Asterisk AGI script on Debian 12.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.